In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Advanced for beginners, specifically focusing on creating a game at the Level Master stage. So, let's dive in, step by step, and get you well on your way to developing your skills with Gemini Advanced. First things first, we need to head over to Google, open up your web browser, and navigate to Google's homepage. This is where we'll start our journey. Once you're there, in the search bar, simply type in Google Gemini and hit enter. Google Gemini is an exciting platform for game development, and this search will take us to where we need to be, the official Google Gemini web page. Once you've typed that in and hit enter, you should see a list of search results. Now, go ahead and click on the Google Gemini website. This is the base from where our project will launch, offering various tools and resources for building advanced applications and games. After the Google Gemini page has opened, our next move is straightforward. Look for the option labeled Build and click on it. This section is specifically designed for creating projects within the Gemini environment and is the gateway to crafting your game. We're interested in making a game today, so the next thing you want to do is choose the option Build an asteroid shooter game. This pre-structured project will allow you to explore the basics of game creation while providing a tangible result, a functional asteroid shooter game that you can personalize and expand upon as you grow more comfortable with the environment. Now, the fun part begins. After setting up your game, it's time to test it. Testing is crucial to ensure everything is working as it should and to identify any areas that need adjusting. This process involves playing the game to see if the controls respond correctly, the graphics load smoothly, and the gameplay flows without issues. Spend some time here. It's your chance to see your creation in action and make note of any changes or tweaks you might want to implement in the future. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully navigated the Gemini Advanced platform and begun your journey into game development. As you grow more skilled, you can explore more advanced features and customize your games further. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and honing your skills. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you get started with Gemini Advanced. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy creating!